The CBSE has declared the formula for the result of 12th class students. So students now know how much result is being expected. Now comes the very important phase in your life when you have to make selection. That selection is for the course or the program that you have to choose and the right institution that will help you towards the attainment of the goal that you have planned for yourself. How to do that? It's so confusing at this juncture because there are so many institutions, so many counselors, so many people telling you varied things, and the confusion matrix for the student is there. क्या करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ? Is this bag better or is that thing better? I'll help you with the choice. First, we'll talk about the program that you need to select. See, this is the pandemic time. We have seen that the families who were financially stable or where both the partners were working, they could easily go through this session. So that means working for male and female both is very important, and that requires a program that could lead you towards the attainment of a good and a lucrative job. So how to get it? How to choose the right program? Very first thing, you should know what are the programs that are being served that are into your bucket list, and how to choose from them will depend on your potential, your capability and your interest. Whatever is our interest, only with that we can go a long way. कुछ अगर बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है तो then we need to compromise in between, because then we lack passion towards it. So that is very important. So choose the program that will help you towards the attainment of your goal, along with you have a passion towards that subject. This will help you towards the selection of the program. Now comes one more very important selection, is the selection of the institution from where you will undergo that program. So that program must be offered by the institution is a very prior thing. And along with that, because there you all know that there is a huge gap between the education system and the industry requirement. So you have to select for the institution that will help you to bridge this gap. How to bridge this gap? What are all are the parameters or the dimensions where you need to look on? Is for your holistic development. There should groom your personality. There should be personality grooming sessions, courses, classes for you that the institution is serving. There should be something for the physical fitness, maybe sports, NCC, NSS and so on. Because it is always said that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. So physically fit hona bahut zaruri hai, otherwise you cannot attain anything in life. And then the most important thing is the skills that are being required by the industry that will be recruiting you. Are some courses or certifications or trainings being organized by those institutions for attainment of those skills? Because ultimately you will be recruited on the basis of those skills. So these are the three basic parameters that you need to look on: the academic program, the grooming and personality development along with the skill development program, and the physical fitness program. If these three major parameters are being served by any of the institution, that will be the best choice for you students. So how easy it is now to choose for the program and for the institution for your further higher education. Stay tuned for more updates on this. This is Dr. Dalima Parvani from Sant Hirdaram Girls College, Bhopal. Thank you.